Look at a raw dataset and your brain sees abstract noise. Thousands of rows of numbers offer no direction until they coalesce into a visual structure. Python is an interpreted language. Because you do not have to wait for your code to compile into machine language first, you can write a line of logic and see the visual result almost instantly. Our objective is to use the Seaborn library to build a complete 4-part visual dashboard. We will translate raw data into a count plot, a box plot, a dense heat map, and a Pairplot. To follow along, you need an interactive environment like Jupyter and a basic understanding of Python sequences and dictionaries. Mastering a visualization library bridges the gap between abstract data manipulation and immediate, actionable human insight. We start by importing pandas and Seaborn into our interactive workspace. Next, we load a sample dataset. Under the hood, this data acts like a dictionary, a mapping where the column names are the keys, and the columns themselves hold the sequences of data. This count plot is generated by executing the sns.countplot function. It calculates the categorical frequencies in our data and displays the totals as vertical bars. If you are running this script outside of Jupyter or another interactive environment, your plot window might open and immediately vanish. You will need to add a standard show command at the end of your script to keep the window open. When you encounter an unfamiliar dataset, count plots offer the most efficient route to understand the volume and distribution of your categorical variables. With our categories mapped, we need to analyze the spread of our continuous numeric data, the integers and floating point numbers. This horizontal box plot appears when we write sns.boxplot and assign keys to axes. The central box represents the middle 50%. The vertical line is the median. The outward whiskers mark the expected limits. Distinct dots beyond those whiskers are anomalies, plotted individually. A simple average hides extreme values. Box plots reveal the true statistical spread and expose those critical data anomalies immediately. Simple variables are straightforward. The challenge arises when you need to find relational patterns across multiple overlapping numeric variables at the same time. This grid shows a standard correlation matrix. It is a dense collection of numeric data, where every variable is measured against every other variable on a scale from negative to positive 1. Comparing these matrix values manually causes immediate cognitive friction. Scanning row by row to find a 0.9 hidden among 0.2s is slow and prone to error. This heat map translates that raw matrix. By executing sns.heatmap, the dense grid of numbers morphs into a distinct visual gradient. The function applies a color coding logic, mapping hues to correlation extremes. Darker colors indicate negative correlation, while brighter colors highlight strong positive relationships. Because the brain processes color variations fractions of a second faster than raw text, heat maps allow analysts to spot hidden correlations across complex datasets instantly. For total dataset reconnaissance, we deploy the final and most comprehensive tool, the Pairplot. This interconnected grid is generated by sns.Pairplot. It automatically identifies every numeric sequence in your dataset and plots them against one another. To read the grid layout, cross-reference the variables. Track down a specific column and row to isolate how 2 points interact. There is a computational cost to this automation. Iterating over massive, unrefined datasets forces the machine to render thousands of individual plots, seizing up your processing and crashing your environment. Deployed strategically on properly typed, refined data, Pairplots offer unmatched initial reconnaissance without locking up your system. This completed dashboard layout shows our count plot, box plot, heat map, and Pairplot successfully translating raw numbers into clear visualizations. Keep this script saved on your local machine. It functions as a permanent, reusable visualization template for your future analysis. To practice these concepts, replace the sample dictionary with Python's built-in statistics module. Generate your own random continuous data and feed it through these 4 functions. Mastering this foundational Seaborn toolkit removes the heavy friction between acquiring raw numbers and delivering actionable visual intelligence.